Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make crispy chicken wings, which is my favorite dish. The ingredients are 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon salt, and 1 tablespoon paprika powder. 3 eggs plus ginger paste, 1 tablespoon paprika powder, 1 tablespoon black powder, 15 ml hot red sauce, 1 tablespoon Othmanian powder, 1 tablespoon salt. After cleaning the wings, place them in a large pot with ginger paste, salt, black pepper, Othmanian powder, red hot sauce, and eggs. Combine them well. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of corn flour, salt, cardamom and cumin powder, paprika and turmeric powder. Mix it with 250 ml of water. Mix the chicken deeply with the mixer. Make sure the spices is evenly distributed in the mixer. After mixing the chicken wings, set aside for 30 minutes to an hour. If you are in a hurry or hungry like me, you don't have to wait 30 minutes. Just 10 minutes will be enough. So, I put the breadcrumbs on a separate plate and mix them in with all of our chicken wings. Look how the breadcrumbs are sticking to the wings now. Little by little, fry the wings. Friends, take extra care when frying. As an option, I've included frozen French fries as a side dish. You can go with rice, bread, or rotis. You also should take steps once the French fries have turned golden. Check out our delightful chicken wings fry. Guys, it's ready now. We are waiting for your feedbacks. Don't forget to share, comment, and like. Have a good day.